1, 2, 3, 4. Take it, it's yours.
I won you a goldfish.
Really? Thanks.
Reminds me of you.
I'll never forget
That time we had ice
the way that it tasted.
line roast.
Store. Take it, it's yours.
I won you a goldfish.
Really? Thanks.
Reminds me of you.
I'll never
Time
forget
we had ice
the way that it tasted.
line roast.
Store. Take it, it's yours.
I won you a goldfish.
Really? Thanks.
Reminds me of you. Swims back to me. All I see swims back to me. So the next song that we're gonna play, we decided to bring back a song that wasn't on any of the records because certain girlfriends decided that it was the best Shitty Friends song ever, and it was a disgrace that it's not on the CD. So, I don't know, maybe you'll agree, but it's on the Summer Sampler put out by Pancake Productions, also available in an email tonight.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, check it out. There's some great shit on there. There's a song about Cherokee as it was back in 2002. There is a song about Manja, evidently. There's that song, which is this song. Are we forgetting
What?
something?
This is not a song about Manja.
No. But there's certainly this song on the CD.
I think you're right.
All right.